Truckparking's Rotterdam exploits more than 10 secured truck parking sites in the Netherlands, including one on the Belgian border, next to the European motorway E19. Truckparking Hazeldonk is open 24/7, and the first parking hour is free of charges. The site is secured with heavy fencing, cameras, surveillance, and a control room, with 24/7 staff. Drivers can use various facilities, such as television, free Wi-Fi, snacks and coffee, clean toilets and hot showers, for male and female visitors, washing machines and tumble dryers, indoor and outdoor recreation, and various fitness equipment. Free bicycles are available. For example, to visit the truck driver's restaurant. After staying at our secured truck parking, you can continue your journey safely, refreshed and fully rested. Also watch the detailed tutorial video for Truckparking Hazeldonk. Please subscribe to our video channel to stay informed about new videos. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon at one of our truck parking locations.